Hi, welcome back to Blue Collar Employee Retention. My name is Jeremy Davis, and I am here to show you how to increase your retention without compromising your business's integrity. Now, today we're focusing on a topic that's crucial for the success of any business relying on skilled labor: retaining your blue collar employees. Now, today we'll explore 7 proven strategies that can help you keep your blue collar workforce motivated, engaged, and loyal. Let's dive in. Blue collar workers are the backbone of many industries, and retaining them is essential for maintaining productivity and achieving operational excellence. Now, here are 7 strategies to help you do just that. Number 1, improve job satisfaction. Sounds easy enough. Job satisfaction is key to employee retention. Create a positive work environment where blue collar workers feel valued and appreciated. Offer meaningful work and make sure to provide regular feedback and recognition. Celebrate achievements and acknowledge contributions through formal recognition programs. This is so important. When employees see that their hard work is appreciated, they're more likely to stay committed to the company. Now, this is a little bit more difficult, but try to support a work-life balance. The demanding nature of blue-collar jobs can lead to burnout. Promote a healthy work-life balance by offering flexible work schedules, shift rotations, and adequate paid time off. Additionally, implement health and wellness programs to support the physical and mental well-being of your employees. This can include access to fitness facilities, health screenings, stress management resources, etc. Obviously, you need to offer a competitive compensation. Now, you don't have to be the highest paid, but definitely don't be the lowest. Competitive wages and benefits are essential for attracting and retaining blue collar workers. Regularly review and adjust your compensation packages to ensure they reflect the skills and value of your employees. Provide comprehensive benefit packages that include health, retirement plans, and other perks that support the financial security and well-being of your workforce. And this is a big one that a lot of people overlook. Provide training and development. Continuous training and development opportunities are vital for keeping employees motivated and improving their skills. Offer programs that enhance both technical and soft skills. Create clear career pathways that outline the progression opportunities. Let them know that they can grow with the company. Provide mentorship and support to help employees achieve their career goals, fostering a culture of growth and development. Foster a culture of inclusion and respect for number 5. Build an inclusive and supportive work environment where blue collar workers feel valued and respected. Encourage collaboration and teamwork across all levels of the organization. Ensure that leaders and managers are actively engaged. That's so important. And positively actively engaged with blue collar workers. Listen to their concerns and involve them in decision making processes to create a sense of belonging and respect. Implement regular feedback and recognition. So many companies ignore the feedback aspect. Establish a culture of regular feedback and recognition. Constructive feedback helps employees improve, while recognition for their efforts boosts morale and motivation. Acknowledge the achievements of blue collar workers through formal recognition programs, awards, and incentives. This shows that their hard work doesn't just go unnoticed. It's so easy when you do the same thing day in and day out to feel that you're being unnoticed. Promote team building and camaraderie. Strong team dynamics and a sense of camaraderie can significantly enhance job satisfaction and retention. Organize team building activities and events that foster positive relations among employees. Encourage open communication, and create opportunities to bond and build trust. A strong sense of community can make your workplace more enjoyable and engaging. It gives them something to talk about than just work. By implementing these 7 strategies, you can create a work environment that not only attracts but also retains your blue collar workforce. Remember, investing in your employees' satisfaction, well being, and growth is critical. It's critical to building a loyal and committed team. A stable and motivated blue collar workforce drives productivity, ensures quality, and supports long term growth. Now, prioritizing their retention is essential for navigating challenges, seizing opportunities, and achieving your strategic objectives. Now, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And for more insights on building a successful and sustainable business, remember, retaining your blue collar employees is not just good for them, but it is also great for your business. Until next time, keep building, keep promoting, and keep your blue collar workforce engaged. Thank you.